friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a very simple spring mix salad. For this salad we need spring mix, tomatoes. I'll use grape tomatoes, you can use cherry tomatoes or normal tomatoes, you'll just slice them. I also use an English cucumber, and then you can use regular cucumbers, you'll just need 2 or 3. I have an onion, olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. So first I'm going to put spring mix in a bowl. Now this is a very big package. This is 16 ounces. I'm not going to use all of it. So just basically, I'd say this is an equivalent to a regular 5-ounce package of spring mix. And now let me cut the other vegetables. So I'm going to slice the tomatoes. I already washed them before making the video. So just cut them into halves or quarters, depending on how big they are. And if you have big tomatoes, you can just cut them in slices. So now I'm done with tomatoes, and next I'm going to slice this cucumber. I also washed it before making the video, so I'm just going to cut off the ends. Now whether you peel a cucumber or not, it's totally up to you. I don't mind the peel, so I'll just leave it. The less work, the better. So you can just cut cucumber into pieces. And now I'm going to peel and cut the onion. Perfect. So now all the vegetables are ready, and the final step will be making a dressing. So I'm going to measure out a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. And now I'm going to whisk the dressing with a fork. So just mix it. And now let's add it to the salad. And now we'll just toss it and we'll be ready. Another thing is, if you want to add seasonings, that would be the time to do so. I can just sprinkle it with salt and pepper, or you can leave them out if you like, or change them into seasonings of your choice. So here's a little salt and pepper. And now I'm going to toss it. So just toss until it's colored with the dressing and mixed. And now this easy and delicious salad is ready. So it's mixed and it looks so good. So easy to make, healthy and delicious. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. So good. Perfectly dressed, crunchy and fresh, so healthy and delicious. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!